Good morning. We are at the Lee property. We're going to be completing a repairability test. Going to be on the additional structure here, left slope, which is south. We have this damaged shingle. We'll do our repairability test on that one and see how it affects all the surrounding shingles. I've identified the damaged shingle with an X there and then marked up all of the shingles surrounding that damaged one. I'll give you an overview of all of those surrounding shingles, showing you the condition of all of those before we get started. And I'll be using a roof snake, flat bar, putty knife, and hammer. We'll start with the putty knife. We'll use that to unseal the top row shingle there. Then we'll use the flat bar to unseal the rest of them. See how those two different tools affect the shingles differently. Now that we have all of those unsealed, I'll start getting these nails out. You can see that nail is high nailed a little bit there, so we may have to manipulate these shingles a little bit more than we'd like to. See, that one's high nailed as well. Alright, that should be all of the nails, so we'll remove the damaged shingle there. And we'll go ahead and get this new shingle in place. Alright, now we'll start getting some nails in there. We'll be using that roof snake for this. Alright, we're all complete with the repairability test. I'll show you guys the results here. Clear off the chalk and debris so we can get a better look at those. Give you another overview of all of those surrounding shingles. Looks like we can see stress fracture in these tabs here that we had to manipulate in order to do the repairability test. We can see it's very weak in that corner right there. Just from lifting the tab up throughout that repairability test, the shingle's just too brittle. That fiberglass matting broke there, creating that stress fracture, which damages the integrity of the shingle and also affects its water shedding capabilities. You can see that's real bad in the corner there as well. And we can feel it's very weak on the top now. This one we can see right along there. And you can see it real easily from the side. If we raise it up a little bit, you can see where that bend is. That's where the matting is broke, and you can see the bend now since it's real weak in that area. This one as well, we can see all along there, another stress fracture. And this one. And we'll check for any mat transfer. Looks like we can see a little piece, a couple little pieces right there of mat transfer. A little bit right there as well. Check this damaged shingle, see if there's any mat transfer along here. Yeah, we can see some mat transfer there as well. Some there. We should be able to see this one right underneath here. So with all of those stress fractures, along with all of that mat transfer, you can see some more mat transfer here. With those stress fractures and the mat transfer, I do not believe that this roof is repairable. As we can see, all of those surrounding shingles have been additionally damaged. We can see just from repairing one damaged shingle, this homeowner will be left with 1, 2, 3 additionally damaged shingles. So I do not believe that that would be indemnification if repairs were to be made, as this homeowner would be left with more damaged shingles than they originally had. So with that being said, do not believe the roof is repairable, and I'll go ahead and chalk up all those damages and get some better pictures of those. Thank you for your time.